There is a movement afoot, not a political movement, nor a social movement. In its execution, you could call it a technology movement. But at its core, it is a business movement. A movement to free CIOs from the constraints, cost, and confusion that have for years characterized data centers. It is a movement from expensive to economical, from complex to simple, from rigid to flexible, from isolated to shared, from power-hungry to energy-efficient, from siloed to transparent, from discrete hardware components to an integrated whole. It is a movement with Cisco leading an industry transition away from the manual assembly of individual parts to a more self-managed and holistic approach to computing, with virtualization at its center. It is the Cisco Unified Computing System, and its architecture follows what could be described as a three-stage arc. The first is to unify, to bring together network, compute, and virtualization resources into one seamlessly integrated system. The second results from the first, and that's to simplify. Everything from setup to management, from cabling to cooling, from power reduction to resource provisioning. And the third stage harvests the benefits of the first two, and that is to amplify, to increase business opportunities by increasing business agility, workload portability, compute and virtual machine scalability, system availability, as well as system-wide security and performance, all the while significantly lowering total cost of ownership. Take a closer look at the Cisco Unified Computing System. Advanced management technology embedded in the fabric interconnect, integration of a low-latency 10 gigabit per second unified network fabric with enterprise-class x86 architecture servers, a single system that scales to 40 chassis and 320 compute nodes, single management domain for all data center devices, breakthrough memory capacity per blade server for demanding virtualization environments, virtual machine optimized networking, a radically simplified IT infrastructure, a simple and efficient management structure that frees top managers to focus on their business-critical issues. So join the movement to increased business agility through virtual machine optimized services in the network, to dramatically decrease total cost of ownership at the platform, site, and organization levels, to one seamless integrated system, serviced, tested, and managed, to massive compute and virtual machine scalability, to a philosophy of simplification based on open industry standards, backed by an ecosystem of world-class leaders. Join the movement to virtual freedom everywhere, location, hardware, and provisioning freedom that this solution delivers to CIOs of medium and enterprise customers, service providers, and all manner of scientific, financial, and industrial companies. Unify your infrastructure, simplify your operations, and amplify your opportunities. Join the movement to the Cisco Unified Computing System.